Hello everyone. Today we will see the different softwares to learn Python. So let's see. Yeah. First is using Jupyter notebooks. To use Jupyter notebook for your Python coding, you must require to install Anaconda on your system. Second is using Notepad++, where you create the files using .py extension and execute the .py file. For this, you would require Python on your system. Third one is using Pycharm IDE. This is the widely used in the market for Python coding. For this, you would also require to install Python on your system. Thank you. You'll see the videos of like how we will install the software and how to write the code in further videos. Thank you.